Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index gives away some gains and recedes to 93.30 http ntvforex.com news ID 07F6444 minutes ago by Pablo Piavano DXY eases from Fridayâ's highs in the 93.6065 band. US politics and another stimulus package remain in center stage. JOLTs Job Openings, Fedâ Evans next on tap in the calendar. The greenback, when tracked by the US dollar index DXY, has started the week on the negative footing around the 93.30 region at the time of writing. US dollar index looks to politics data. The index is posting modest losses on Monday, starting its 8th consecutive week in the negative territory. The last time the dollar experienced this price action performance was in the June-August period, where it closed in the red territory for 9 consecutive weeks. In the meantime, the unremitting advance of the pandemic combines with efforts to keep the economic recovery well and sound, rising hopes of a COVID-19 vaccine and the ongoing stalemate in the US political arena around an extra stimulus package to dictate the price action not only in around the dollar but also in the rest of the global assets. It will be a light session data-wise in the US, with Junia's JOLTs Job Openings only due later, seconded by the speech by Chicago Fed C. Evans 2021 voter, centrist. What to look for around USD? The dollar clinched fresh lows near 92.50 in the second half of the last week, albeit managing to reclaim the 93.00 mark and above afterwards. Occasional bullish attempts, however, appears to have run out of favor in the 94.00 region August 3rd. Looking at the broader picture, investors keep the bearish stance on the currency unchanged against the usual backdrop of a dovish Fed, the unabated advance of the pandemic and somewhat diminishing momentum in the economic recovery. Also weighing on the buck, market participants seem to have shifted their preference for other safe havens instead of the greenback on occasional bouts of risk aversion. On another front, the speculative community remained well into the negative territory for yet another week, adding to the idea of a more serious bearish trend in the dollar. US dollar index relevant levels at the moment: the index is losing 0.04% at 93.35 and faces the next support at 92.52 2020 low August 6 seconded by 91.80 monthly low May 18 and finally 89.23 monthly low April 2018. On the flip side, a break above 93.99 weekly high August 3 would target 94.20 38.2% Fibо of the 2017-2018 drop en route to 96.03 50% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.